So the first time we went camping in the GX, we realized that the hatch would hit the prop bars on the rooftop tent, and discovered that you can limit the range of motion. So in order to limit the range of motion for the rear liftgate, you go to vehicle settings, bottom left, the gear icon, and then you scroll where it says vehicle customize, door control, and then if you scroll all the way down, you have back door options. Opening position is what we're going to change. It's at 5 right now, which is the largest opening. It goes 1 through 5. 1 is going to be the smallest opening, and then I'll show you the various positions. Let's go look at what it looks like. So this is at number 1, the smallest opening. This is position number 3. And then finally, this is our max position, number 5. So it's that simple. If you're concerned about clearance issues, then start with the lowest setting. Start with number 1 and then work your way up. Okay, bye.